Prepare to be swept away by the enchanting world of romance and laughter with these top 5 romantic comedy movies. 500 Days of Summer, directed by Mark Webb and starring Joseph Gordon-Levitt and Zooey Deschanel. 500 Days of Summer offers a refreshing take on the romantic comedy genre. Through its non-linear storytelling, it explores the highs and lows of Tom and Summer's relationship, capturing the essence of modern romance in a truly unique way. Notting Hill, directed by Roger Mitchell and featuring Hugh Grant and Julia Roberts in the lead roles, Notting Hill is a timeless classic that proves love knows no bounds. Follow the unlikely romance between a humble bookstore owner and a glamorous Hollywood actress as they navigate the challenges of fame, fortune, and everything in between. 10 Things I Hate About You. This modern adaptation of William Shakespeare's The Taming of the Shrew transports the audience to a high school setting, where the fiery cot, played by Julia Stiles, and the charming bad boy Patrick, portrayed by Heath Ledger, embark on a journey of love and self-discovery. Filled with witty banter, memorable moments, and undeniable chemistry, 10 Things I Hate About You is a true gem of the genre. The Proposal. Sandra Bullock and Ryan Reynolds shine in this delightful romantic comedy about a high-powered book editor who coerces her assistant into a fake marriage to avoid deportation. As they navigate the complexities of their unconventional arrangement, sparks fly and unexpected feelings arise, leading to a heartwarming and hilarious journey of love, laughter, and self-discovery. Bridget Jones's Diary. Renee Zellweger, Colin Firth, and Hugh Grant star in this beloved adaptation of Helen Fielding's best-selling novel. Follow the endearing Bridget Jones as she navigates the ups and downs of love, life, and everything in between, all while hilariously documenting her adventures in her diary. With its charming characters, witty humor, and relatable storytelling, Bridget Jones's Diary is a must-watch for fans of romantic comedies. These 5 films showcase the best of romance and comedy, offering heartwarming stories, unforgettable characters, and plenty of laughs along the way. Get ready to laugh, cry, and fall in love with these timeless classics.